In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add cursor in Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add this cursor in the middle of your screen. A lot of people prefer to play with this cursor. This allows you to point at things instead of tapping a specific location with your finger. So as you can see, I'm going to be looking towards this grass block, and even if I tap over here on the side, nothing will happen. So you will be able to use this cursor or crosshair instead of the standard touch controls. All that you have to do to add a cursor is to go into the settings, and in here you will have plenty of options at the left. The one that you are looking for is going to be the touch category. Now, if you are using modern versions of Minecraft Pocket Edition, you will have to go into change control mode. Alternatively, if you are playing on an older version, you shouldn't have this option, so you will have to look into something else instead. Sadly, I don't remember the specific name of the option, but it is going to be a button below here. So, if you are on modern versions like I am, just go into change control mode. Now, the default mode nowadays is going to be joystick and tap to interact. So if I choose this option instead of the crosshair, what you will see is something like this. So I can tap on specific locations around the screen, so I don't have the crosshair anymore. So all that you have to do is, instead of using this option, which is going to be selected by default, you go into the settings, touch, change control mode, and then you will be able to select joystick and aim crosshair. This one on the middle also will not give you the crosshair, so keep that in mind. The one that you are looking for is the last one, joystick and aim crosshair. So when you choose this option, the crosshair or the cursor will be added, and now you can look at specific blocks, specific enemies, and you will be able to attack or break whatever is on the middle of your screen. So all that you have to do is make sure that you select the last option. I hope I was able to help you on how to add cursor in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.